Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Virulence factor activity. Now, with this virulence factors of we are seeing about virulence factors of streptococcus. So in the streptococcus, virulence factors of streptococcus. Here in the streptococcus species we have lipotecoic acid. Lipotecoic acid will help in adhesion of the If this is the streptococcus, the lipotecoic acid will help in adhesion of fibrinogen receptors on the epithelial cells. It help in Lipotecoic acid will help in adhesion of the streptococcus to the fibronectin receptors on the epithelial cells. M proteins. M protein will also mediate the adhesion to the epithelial cells, and M protein will prevent the phagocytosis. Hyaluronic acid capsule is present. This hyaluronic acid capsule also prevents phagocytosis. Then these three are the important virulence factors. Then we also have different virulence factors like erythrogenic toxin, streptolysin O, streptolysin S, streptokinase, and different enzymes also. We will learn each of them in detail.
thank you and thank you for watching.